In tip 1 we did a basic search. In tip 2 we are going to navigate the page that the search results landed on. So first we're going to start up at the very top of the page, and we're just going to look across the page to see what options there are. So at the top of the page there's this white bar and there's several different options starting with the logo. So if you click on the King Library logo, it will actually take you back to the main page. So let's click the back arrow so we get back to the results. And then from there you're going to see the options to do a new search. So what will happen is this will clear out the search. There's research guides. So if you are, say, in chemistry class and you want to know what research guides the librarian for that subject would recommend, you can click on that and go there. One reason to do this is that when you are going through your results, you can actually see what databases they suggest and then look down below and search that specific database if you think that's going to help you with your research. Then of course there's also the course reserves, databases. Will take you to the database tab, journal search, and then where it says show more you're going to have other options there. You can just click out there. The other things to know are the little go to search history, this little push pin, which is not going to show anything because I'm not signed in right now. Last two things is my account and sign in. Since I'm not signed in, if I go to either one of these, it's going to pop up the same window. I'm going to go ahead and cancel out of that and try to go back to our results. Okay, so back to the results. So underneath this you're going to see the same search bar that you saw on the King Library, the home page. There you can switch your search by just clearing it out. You can hit the X, or like I said, you can hit the new search, and you can hit a little magnifying glass. Underneath there, this here is just because I'm not signed in. It's going to show up until I'm signed in. And then in the main body of the page to the left you have your area where you can refine your results, and then the main body is the items that have been returned from your search. The last thing that I want to point out is at this little Ask Us tab here. If you need help, you can click on it. If there's a librarian online, you can use the chat. Right now, there's nobody online. The other things you can do is you can search the facts. You can go to the guide to using OneSearch. I'm going to go ahead and exit out of that. And if you want to close this tab, you can go ahead and click that. Lastly, notice the scroll bars. There's a scroll bar for the main body of the page, and there's a scroll bar for the little gray box on the side over here for your refining results. Okay, that is it for that tip.